I just really just spilled this all over me. No! Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this makeup look. I wanted to try something different. I'm kind of playing in my makeup today, so I thought, why not film it? Let's just get right into the video. First, I'm gonna moisturize my face. I will do my eyebrows off camera. So I've been doing a couple of things a little bit differently than I usually do when it comes to my makeup. I found a couple of new products that I really liked using. So this new product that I have been using, you guys really cannot see that at all. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion HD Primer. Well, another product that I have been using is this color corrector by Black Radiance. I'm gonna use this beauty blender. I use this side when I do my color correcting, so this is the side I will be using. I'm gonna use the Maybeline FitMe Matte and Poreless Foundation. I thought I brought my other one. So this is in the color 360 and this is Mocha. So I use this one. Sometimes I still do have this one, but yeah, sometimes I do mix the two. And the brush that I'm using to mix it is, I actually got this for Christmas. My brother actually bought it. It might be the foundation brush actually. I'm not sure. I use this all the time and I love it. So I actually feel like I do want to mix that lighter color in there, but I'm not going to put a lot of it. I literally put like a little splat on there of that lighter color. I feel like that color was too dark for me. This is where I like to put on my concealer. Yeah, this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. I'm going to use this side of my beauty blender. This is what I use, a luxury baking powder, and it's by Revolution. So I don't like putting a lot here. I just want to make sure I get it. Like, I just really just spilled this all over me. Oh. Okay, let me stop having a mental breakdown right now. I'm gonna put a little bit of right above my eyebrow, because I don't know, I get really oily right there. So I'm gonna take this E300 brush by Mikasa Beauty, and I'm going to take my Natural Eyes Too Faced palette, and I'm gonna use the color Sextopia. It's a little raunchy, if you ask me. I'm gonna mix two colors, so I'm gonna mix Cashmere Bunny, and I'm gonna mix, actually no, let me mix, hold on. So I'm gonna mix Erotica and Sextopia. I'm gonna use those two colors as a base. So I feel like this is pretty good for that one. Gonna put, let me put this down. This is the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna put this concealer right on the brush. So this is the Naked Cosmetics. It is in the color Desert Sunset. And I'm just gonna put that right in that area where I just put the concealer. Gonna try not to spill this, and I did. My pants. Okay, so in that part where I just concealed, I'm just gonna put that right in that area. Okay, so my camera ended up dying, so while I was waiting for it to charge a little bit, I actually went ahead and fixed my hair, and then I'm gonna kind of put it under my eye. Like, I gotta go over this part again. I'm gonna take some concealer and I'm gonna go over it. Do I wanna put on eyelashes? No, I don't wanna put on eyelashes. So I really don't feel like putting on eyelashes today, just because I don't feel like it. So I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Volume Plumping Mascara. I have pretty long eyelashes, so I usually don't wear eye weave. I wear eye weave if I'm like feeling like I just wanna wear eye weave. Before I do this, let me get my life together. I think I might do eyeliner. Okay, so I'm gonna use this e.l.f. It's just the regular e.l.f. Eyeliner. So I'm gonna do this off camera. Hold up one second. Okay, so I did a little bit with my eyeliner. I did mess up. That is why I don't usually do eyeliner, but I wanted to try something different. I just got it in my eyeball. That was like super tough. Instead of using red, I think I'm gonna go for my usual. I'm going to use ColourPop's Embellish. This is Echo Park. This is also by ColourPop. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, remember to give this video a thumbs up. I will link everything that I use below, so make sure you check out that description box if you need to know anything that I use or if you missed anything. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so you do know when I do upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Every week.